I've been in Ibiza for 28 years now. I was working for a company called Manumission. It was a big night in the 90s going into 2000s, and then Andy McKay, my boss, started Ibiza Rocks in the back room of Manumission. I think it was Maximo Park was the first band, and then on to like Kaiser Chiefs and various other bands.
We've gone from having live bands to going to a more DJ-orientated show.
Us being in Ibiza and having this venue, we started trying out pool parties and daytime events basically.
People come to Ibiza for like a musical and spiritual like energy boost.
I'm not saying it's a festival, but it's more of that daytime vibe. We had a circular stage for a long time and a peripheral system going around the venue.
Which had its good points, but also its bad points.
For me, as a DJ, at the time I wasn't emceeing, I wasn't hosting my own set. It was hard to know where to put my energy.
It proved difficult for many reasons. That's when we started looking at what sort of stage are we going to use, where is the stage going to be? What PA are we going to use?
This is an outdoor venue, and I think outdoor venues, especially in Ibiza, do struggle with sound a little bit because there is some limitations they have to abide by.
One of the challenges it was that the sound inside the venue was spread outside the venue, and the neighbors were complaining about that noise.
We've gone from looking at sound walls to monitoring with SBL equipment to putting microphones on neighbours' roofs, just so we can get a picture of where we are with our residents. It's very important to keep on top of that because the council can be very hard on their fines.
We designed the system with that in mind in order to achieve a very good SPL and coverage inside the venue and trying to avoid spilling a lot of noise outside of the venue.
To model how a distribution of the system to keep the sound where it needs to be, we use venue synthesis to model it. It was in the early stages of it. With that in mind, we optimised the venue.
And we gained 5 to 6 decibels with the JBL setup this year, which is huge for us.
We have a main left-right array of 6 boxes of BTX A8, and we have 2 hangs of outfield of BTX A6, and also we have 4 boxes of AC28 as a delay fill for the balcony, and 4 boxes of CBT 1000 that are covering all the areas that are far from the main stage. Each side of the stage there are some kind of a VIP area. The request it was to cover that VIP area with a high level of very punchy and powerful clean sound. For that reason we selected the AC28 boxes. Also there are 12 BTX B15G that are the subs divided in 2 clusters in cardio mode.
They all go hand in hand. Pair that with that, put the preset in, and you walk around and the variance in the voicing is minimal. I mean, if any.
Every side of the venue, every space in the venue, you can hear the music so loud, clearly, and you can feel the bass.
And one of the good things about the BTX A8 series is the definition clarity that you get from it. And if you have more definition and clarity, there's no excuse to just reach for the volume to try and make up for stuff that isn't really there. And that really helps with keeping what is perceived loudness down and keeping the clarity up, and everyone's sort of happy as well.
Oh, the sound this year was incredible. Absolutely incredible. JBL absolutely brought their A game, and you know that the equipment, the audio setup is professional, it's tight, it's there to back the performance. Yeah, dream team.
I think it sounds incredibly good. A lot of good feedback from the people that came here.
We've moved in a really good direction for Ibiza Rocks. For many years, I think this will be a very good system for the venue. We couldn't be happier.
This year it's been a dream really, it's been fantastic and we're very happy with the sound. All the artists are very happy with the sound. Like I say, we've gained a huge amount within the venue and we're not upsetting the outside neighbours.
So this season at Ibiza Rocks, the new JBL sound system has absolutely killed it for me. I love playing on it, and listen, the party goes off each and every week, and can't wait for next week already.